According to IBM, properly configured chatbots can handle up to 80% of standard user queries. Some studies show that a significant number of users would prefer to interact with a chatbot instantly rather than wait for a customer service agent. So in today's video, we'll check out the 4 best chatbots for your WordPress website. Number 1, Messenger bots. If you've ever used Facebook Messenger to interact with a business, you might have been using a chatbot without knowing it. Messenger bots come in a lot of flavors, such as regular live support experiences and e-commerce assistants. Despite what the name implies, you can use Messenger bots outside of Facebook. However, you do need to set up a Facebook app and webhooks to power it, which ties it to the platform. As far as flexibility goes, Messenger bots provide some of the most advanced sets of integrations you can find. In particular, they're a standout option when it comes to e-commerce. As for WordPress, there are several plugins you can use to embed Facebook Messenger into your pages. Our top recommendation is WP Chatbot for Facebook Messenger, which adds a simple widget you can use on your site. Plus, it's compatible with WooCommerce out of the box. Number 2, BotSafai. Although chatbots can be plenty useful, it's always a good idea to have a human backup who can handle any random queries. BotSafai shines in this area thanks to a feature they call human handover. Ultimately, if your BotSafai chatbot can't provide visitors with the answers they need, they can request human help instantly. The service then notifies you or your team, and someone can jump in and save the day. BotSafai works using conversational flow diagrams, and you can program stories so the chatbot knows what to say and what words or choices will trigger it. BotSafai doesn't require exact keyword matches to work, and it also supports patterns and phrases. When it comes to WordPress, BotSafai offers integration via an official plugin or a snippet of JavaScript you can add to your site manually. Plans start at $50 per month for up to 10 chatbots and 30,000 unique users. Number 3, IBM Watson Assistant. This is one of the most interesting chatbot options you can use for your website. In a nutshell, Watson can integrate with a multitude of popular services, including Slack and Messenger. You can also connect the assistant with Internet of Things devices to build chatbots that can genuinely double as assistants. If you're looking for a simple chatbot solution for your website, Watson Assistant can be a bit overkill. The upside is you get access to IBM Watson's advanced machine learning capabilities, which can help you improve your assistant over time. When it comes to web chats, Watson Assistant includes all the classic features you need. You get access to a simplified chatbot builder, and users can ask to be handed off to a live agent. Plus, it handles changes in topics gracefully, at least for a robot. For WordPress integration, your best bet is Chatbot with IBM Watson, which enables you to customize the appearance and placement of your assistant. When it comes to pricing, you will need to contact a sales representative for a quote. And finally, number 4, LambaDo. We've talked about LambaDo in the past. In fact, we showed you how to build a basic chatbot using the service, as well as how to add it to WordPress. The experience using LambaDo is a lot different than with other chatbot builders. For one, the service itself is incredibly easy to use, making it a great option for anyone who doesn't have a background in development. It works using a simple conversation flow system, but you get access to a lot of element types you can use to spruce up the conversations. For example, LambaDo enables you to include GIFs as part of your responses. The interface of the chatbot itself is a lot more stylish than most other options, thanks to custom animations and styles. Although there isn't as much depth as with Messenger bots or IBM Watson Assistant, LambaDo is still an excellent choice for simple, fun chatbot implementations. You can start today with their free tier that supports up to 100 chats per month. And there you have it, 4 great chatbots you can use with your WordPress website. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.